Okay, just a quickie. If you have a Skoda Yeti with the door locking not working correctly, the wiring is all white, so it comes from the door plug, runs down the back of the car, okay, and it runs down to a plug here. Now what happens is normally this pipe splits up in here, okay, so you take this off, this pipe splits, water runs down here into this loom, runs down the inside of the door, down this wire to this plug, and as you can see, rotten as a pear. So I'm going to clean all this up. See all that powder coming off. Puh, tastes horrible. Right, so that is going to be cleaned up. So if you get a Skoda Yeti with any door locking faults, rear wipers, whatever, go to this plug, and the plug is basically just behind the back of this panel. All right, ever so easy. Take this piece off, and this little handle across here with 3 T20 screws. Pull this back and the plug is just in there. Okay, thanks for watching.